Are you ready to embark on your next adventure but worried about maintaining a healthy diet on the go? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore 12 travel-friendly meals that are not only nutritious but also easy to prepare and pack. These meals will keep you energized and satisfied throughout your journey. Let's dive in. First up, we have overnight oats. This simple meal is packed with fiber and protein. Just combine rolled oats, your favorite milk or yogurt, and toppings like fruits, nuts, or seeds in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll have a delicious breakfast ready to grab and go. Next, let's talk about quinoa salad. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and can be mixed with a variety of veggies, beans, and a light dressing. Prepare it in advance and store it in a container. It's perfect for a filling lunch on the road. For a quick snack, try nut butter and banana wraps. Spread your favorite nut butter on a whole grain tortilla, add a banana, roll it up, and slice it into bite-sized pieces. This combination provides a great balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Chickpea salad is another great option. Simply mix canned chickpeas with diced cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. It's refreshing, satisfying, and full of plant-based protein. Don't forget about veggie sticks and hummus. Pack your favorite raw veggies like carrots, celery, and bell peppers alongside a small container of hummus. This crunchy snack is loaded with vitamins and keeps you feeling full. Rice cakes topped with avocado are both delicious and nutritious. Just mash up an avocado, season it with salt and pepper, and spread it on a rice cake. You can even add sliced tomatoes or a sprinkle of seeds for extra flavor. Hard-boiled eggs are a classic travel-friendly meal. They're rich in protein and can be made in advance. Just boil a few eggs, peel them, and pack them in a container. They make for a great snack or a quick breakfast. Smoothie packs are perfect for those who love a refreshing drink. Pre-pack your favorite fruits, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder in a freezer bag. When you're ready to enjoy, just blend it with your choice of liquid. It's a quick and nutritious meal on the go. Greek yogurt parfaits are both tasty and filling. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and berries in a jar for a balanced breakfast or snack. This combination provides probiotics, fiber, and antioxidants to keep you healthy while traveling. Lentil soup is a hearty option that you can prepare in advance and pack in a thermos. It's rich in protein and fiber, making it a comforting meal that will keep you warm and satisfied during your travels. Energy bites are a fantastic snack for those long journeys. Combine oats, nut butter, honey, and your favorite add-ins like chocolate chips or dried fruit. Roll them into small balls and refrigerate. They're easy to grab and provide a quick energy boost. Finally, we have whole grain pasta salad. Cook some whole grain pasta and mix it with your choice of veggies, olives, and a light vinaigrette. This dish can be made in advance and enjoyed cold, making it a perfect travel meal. And there you have it, 12 travel-friendly meals that will keep you healthy and energized on your journeys. Whether you're flying, driving, or exploring new cities, these meals are easy to prepare and perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, be sure to subscribe to Holistic Health Hub. Tap the link down below for more health videos, and happy travels!